If you're experiencing crashes while playing Fortnite, calibrating your settings and system can help resolve these issues. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix the problem. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Fortnite. Check the official Fortnite website for the latest specifications and compare them with your system's hardware. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Go to your graphics card manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your graphics card. Install the updates and restart your computer to ensure they take effect. Step 3. Verify game files. Open the Epic Games launcher, go to your library, and click on the 3 dots next to Fortnite. Select Verify to check for any corrupted or missing files. The launcher will automatically download and replace any problematic files. Step 4. Adjust in-game settings. Launch Fortnite and go to the Settings menu. Lower the graphics settings, disable VSync, and set the frame rate limit to a lower value. This can help reduce the strain on your system and prevent crashes. Step 5. Check background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be consuming system resources. This includes web browsers, streaming software, and other games. Restart Fortnite after closing these applications. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the crashing issues in Fortnite. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Epic Games support for further assistance.